Is your ID4's infotainment screen really slow? Here are 3 quick settings to change that'll make a big impact on its day-to-day responsiveness. While gesture controls like using your hand to swipe back and forth between screens are pretty cool party tricks, they work inconsistently and end up being more frustrating than helpful. They also slow your ID4 down. So let's turn them off. From the home screen, swipe over until you see the settings menu. Select it. Next, choose the screen menu. From here, scroll down until you see the gesture controls and then tap to toggle them off. The preview text upon approach feature, which will cause some menu items to hide their text until your finger gets close, really serves no value but adds unnecessary strain on the CPU. You can also disable this under the screen settings menu. Scroll down until you see animation when finger near the screen and turn it off. The last thing that you can change, which really helps, is removing this map widget. Most ID4 owners are never going to use this, but it does take up some processing power. This shows up by default, and depending upon your screen setup, you might have to scroll over a tab to see it. To get rid of it, press and hold your finger on the map for a few seconds. You'll see this trash can icon appear. Simply tap it and it'll be gone. Side note, you can customize the screen with various elements. Watch my ID4 tips part 3 video next to learn more.